Hi,
Hi
good
mga
morning guys.
kalakwatsa!
Mga kalakwatsa. So, another vlog po tayo ngayon and this is another blind itinerary vlog. We're
Yes,
going to
Mendez Cavite.
Mendez Cavite. So, yan, biyahe kami. Nasa bus na kami ngayon. We boarded the bus from PTEX and it's about 120 pesos per head. Ibababa na kami dun sa mismo. Diretso na siya hanggang Mendez Cavite. Actually, ang Mendez Cavite is katabi lang siya ng Tagaytay.
Yes.
So, we're gonna go there. We don't know where we're going to. Tingnan namin kung
Imimit lang
ipapasyal
namin
kami.
yung friend namin.
Yes. Kung may magandang mapuntahan, isasama namin kayo.
Sama kayo sa amin,
Para
ha?
makita nyo how Mendez Cavite looks like. So,
First time din namin eh. So, sabahan nyo kami sa first time namin.
let's get lost in Mendez.
Yes. See you!
Eto na nga, nandito na kami sa dapat namin puntahan. So, supposed to be, pupunta kami sa Mendez. Pero dahil nga malakas ang ulan, our friend just ended up renting this very nice rest house. It's just in the crossing. Tagaytay pa rin naman to. So, for the first time, mafe-feel mo ulit yung lamig ng Tagaytay, maybe because of the bad weather. Papresko na ulit siya. Hindi katulad nung last time na pumunta kami mainit. So, I believe this place cost somewhere daw in between $75 to $100. We'll ask him later pag akit na dito. Ayun. Well, paalis na rin nga pala sila dito. We're gonna try another place for staycation. Siguro mas mag-focus kami na i-feature yon kasa dito. Pero this is a really nice house. Pakita mo lang kung gaano kaganda. Very relaxing. And masyado ka rin, kumbaga malapit ka rin kay nature.
So, eto na nga yung unang tinuluyan ni na Jen. Ayan, ito yung room nila. Merong attached na bathroom. Tapos may cabinet. Ayan. Maganda naman dito. Kaya lang kailangan nga namin lumipat kasi darating daw yung family ni na Jen. So, we need to move to a bigger place. Ayan. Diba ganda? Tapos eto si Jen, busy. Naghuhugas nung pinagkainan namin. Tapos ito yung pinakababa niya. Ayan, may TV, cabinet, tapos dalawang room na may tigisang double deck. Ayan.
So ito nga, napakaulan na dito sa Tagaytay and we are with our friend who is from Louisiana.
Louisiana, yeah.
So first time niya dito sa Pilipinas and in 4 days babalik na siya. So how does it feel to, curious lang, I'm really curious, how does it feel to, for the first time go to a strange country without knowing anybody there? So how does it feel?
It's nice. It's a good break because I can't understand half of anything that's going on. So it's fun. Everybody's been really nice and helpful, and I love it here. It's beautiful, obviously. So.
And I believe you have already tried the street food, which is the pride of the Philippine streets, right?
I've tried everything.
Yes.
Yeah, almost everything.
Balot, isaw, Betamax.
The balot was good. the second time, I was better the second time. I was in front of people, and that was one that was easier to eat.
So you just follow what everyone's doing when eating balot, right?
Yeah, yeah.
What can you say about Filipinos?
Yeah.
Very nice. They are some of the nicest people I've met. It's just everybody's happy, very talented. Everybody can sing.
Have you ever tried going to a place where there's karaoke?
Yes,
Yeah,
I did that the other night.
In line, right?
Oh yeah, that was fun. Yeah, we got the tower,
Yeah.
and I forget what we ate, but I tried karaoke for the first time.
Yeah. And what's surprising is once everybody has alcohol in them, everybody knows how to sing.
Everybody's
Right?
a good. I got way better. Yeah.
Everybody's a good singer with
Yeah.
alcohol.
Oh yeah.
Ayan. Yun, papatila lang kami ng ulan and then kakain and after nun lilipat kami sa isa pang place na maganda pang staycation i-feature rin namin later. Ayan, see ya!
So ayan, lilipat na nga kami sa Balay Grinica. Ayun, dun sa mas malaking space kasi nga darating yung family ni Jen. So ayan, sinamantala na namin habang hindi umuulan. Kasi baka mamaya nga bumuhos, maabutan pa kami sa daan, 'di ba? Ayan, si Lavo, feel na feel yung preskong hangin. Sarap dito, as in wow. Gusto ko yung ganitong feels, yung rainy season. Ayan, eto ang cute ng house, nakita nyo ba? So on the way na kami. Siyempre dahan-dahan lang, baka matalapsikan yung paan namin and we reached the destination na nga.
Hi, good afternoon guys.
Ayun, at napakaulan pa rin dito sa Tagaytay. Pero isa sa mga nahanap namin na magandang puntahan, magandang pasyalan, itong Balay Grinica. So pag tinignan mo yung napaka-homey nitong lugar na to, it's big enough to fit at least 15 to 20 people.
Yes.
May sarili siyang swimming pool and na-heated pa. Dahil ang maganda dito, love, is kahit nga maulan, naramdaman na naman namin yung lamig ng Tagaytay how it was about 10 years ago. Kasi ngayon hindi na lumalamig sa
Because of
Tagaytay.
industrialization.
Yes, that's the price that you pay for industrialization nga, di ba? Pero yun, dahil nga malakas ang ulan, medyo masama ang panahon, mafe-feel mo ulit yung lamig niya the way it was years ago. Yung iba pa ang Tagaytay. Pero
So,
ito nga.
So ipapakita namin sa inyo yung itsura ng Balay Grinica. This is 9,000 per night.
Per night. Oo.
Ayan. Pwede rin siyang pang team building or family
Compared to the
reunion,
resorts
gano'n.
sa Pansol, 9,000 is cheap, di ba?
Yes.
Talagang pasok sa mga BPO budget. Yun.
Tapos ang ganda pa rito.
It has a small billiards, tapos cozy benches, tapos meron pa
May
siyang,
videoke.
may videoke, and meron siyang spot na overlooking yung land sa gilid
Oo.
na talagang the best
Mamaya papakita namin sa inyo.
pang walwalan.
Yes.
Ayun, pasok tayo sa Balay Grinica.
Pasok tayo.
Let's check it out.
Yes.
Let's go. Hello.
Hi guys.
Ayun na nga. So, napaka-cozy niya. Merong
Okay.
small pool table na pwede kayong maglaro.
Aray.
And check natin yung pool area.
Yes.
Di ba meron siyang small bar,
May small bar.
complete
siya.
amenities. And eto ang pool area niya.
Balay
And-
Grinica.
Yan. At ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyong spot. Di ba? At dito masarap uminom. Etong spot na to, plus isang napakalamig na pale pilsen, perfect combination. Di ba? Bote na lang kulang. Enjoy na. Pakagandang view ng tanawin. At yun nga lang, of course, to respect the neighboring houses, karaoke is set to cut off at 10 p.m. Siyempre, let's just give respect to the others din naman that wants to sleep. Pero napakaganda na for its price. Worth it itong lugar na to.
So ngayon naman, silipin naman natin yung rooms. Tara, dito tayo sa taas. May mini sofa dito. Ayan o. Pwede mong tambayan. Tapos eto yung mga rooms nila. Oh. Ayan, o, diba? Tapos ano pa siya? Double deck siya. Ayun, o. Very homey, diba? Imagine for 9,000 pesos. Okay na okay, no? Building, family reunion. Kasi ito yung isang room. Same. May aircon. Pero di natin kailangan ng aircon ngayon sa panahon ngayon eh. Nice oh. Diba? Ayan.
Perfect!
So guys, so ayun, natapos na yung araw namin. Bali pagkadating namin dito sa Balay Clinica, nag-inuman kami ni na Jen, tapos nakabanding namin yung boyfriend niya, si Layton. And then after that, ayun, dumating na yung family ni Jen. So it's time naman for Layton to band with Jen's family. So eto kami, i-eat lang muna hanggang mag 5 a.m. and makakatch ng bus. Kasi sabi nila, 5 a.m. daw
Yeah,
yung
5 a.m. is the earliest trip. So,
Papuntang Maynila.
hopefully, by early morning, tumigil na yung ulan. Para hindi kami mahirapan umuwi.
kasi may pasok pa.
Yes. So, ito na nga. Tulog time na muna kami.
Yep.
And this place, Balay Grinica, at its price, it's really cozy.
Mhm.
It can accommodate lots of people. It's really good for team building.
Yes.
Actually, maganda siyang pasyalan here in Tagaytay.
Mhm.
And it's located in anong barangay to, love? Yung dapat natin pagkahan?
Mendez ba?
Mendes Crossing, Barangay Mendes
Mhm.
Crossing. So, nandun lang siya sa crossing, malapit lang 'tong
Yeah.
puntahan. Siguro onting lagpas lang ng ng Taal Vista, you'll be able to see this place bago siya sa junction ng Batangas.
Yeah.
Ayun, napakagandang lugar and heated pa yung swimming pool.
Mhm.
So, eto na nga. Magtutulog na kami.
Hindi muna
And then, we're gonna wake up early in the morning to
Mhm.
catch the first bus back to Manila. If you like this kind of video, the travel vlogs, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you tomorrow early morning at babiyahe na kami.
Mhm.
Bye. Good night.
Good night.